Hi friends, just now I'm here to let you know about the basic camera ethics and aesthetics when you will be recording your demo videos as well as your training videos. Because I'm sure most of you are not really used to talking to a camera. So you should know certain basic things. And what are the basic things? First of all, first is how to talk. When you are speaking, when you are addressing to a camera, your voice has to be very clear. You need not shout, but your voice has to be loud enough. If you whisper like that, nobody will be able to hear. And if you shout, nobody will be able to hear because they will get irritated. So your voice should be normal and it should be very, very clear. I deliberately demonstrated both the extremes so that you can understand the difference between the two. And when you are talking, you should not talk very slowly and you should not talk very fast, because otherwise if you go on talking very fast, people will not understand whatever you are talking. And if you are talking very slowly, people will get bored. I am also demonstrating both the extremes, and you better understand what happens when you talk like that. So your talking should be clear, loud enough, and it should have a proper speed. When people are listening, they should be able to understand the full stop and pause and paragraph from your speech whenever you are talking. Understand? Be very clear about it. So this is about your voice modulations. Then the second point we have to check is your own presentation. See, if at all I sit like this, with all my hair, with this kind of expression, and I'm teaching, how will it look? It will look horrible, you would not like. So when you are talking, you should have your hair made properly, your face made properly, and your face should have a proper expression. Understand this very clearly. Just like you get ready while you are taking a photograph, you should get ready while coming in front of a camera. You should be properly dressed so that whatever dress of yours is seen should look decent and nice. Okay? This is the second thing. The third thing is your background. If at all, suppose there is, I will just move my camera or phone and show you what will happen if at all a wrong background is there. How it happens, just see. Okay, this is at least, this is fine. If I'm sitting like this with a fan as a background or moving fan as a background, how it looks? It looks horrible, right? Then on the top of that, sometimes what happens is there is somewhere, some part of your house, it has got a mess around. See, not exactly a mess, but yeah, something funny. And if at all, yeah, here, this corner, there is a little mess, I'm showing you here. Suppose if I sit like this with all the mess behind, how will it will look? Will it look good? Mess here or mess here. With this kind of a mess around, I am showing you and I am sitting. It will not look good, right? It will not look good. So, whenever you are sitting, you better take care that you have a proper neat and clean background in front of behind you. Then when you start registering recording, if people go on coming and talking to you, hey, okay, yeah, I'll do this, okay, I'll do that, okay, fine, is it a good idea? Not at all. So you take care that nobody else is entering your room when you are recording. And when you are recording, some phone call comes. Hello, I'm talking over the phone, I'm recording a live session. How are you? What is it? Does that look good? It doesn't. So take care of these things when you are recording any kind of video. Okay? These are the basic aesthetics which I am giving you. And ideally, I will also be putting a certain set of questions at the end of this video. Try to answer them. Okay? And one more thing, last but not the least, is you should be very, very clear about the content that you are talking. If at all you are talking about certain things, like right now, when I was talking, did you see? I had the points to make. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, whatever. And I was pinpointing them and I was explaining them. You should make these things very clear, because unless and until you are not clear about the syllabus yourself, you will not be able to make your student clear about what you are teaching. If you wish, you can definitely make use of audio visual medium. Maybe you can have a sort of whiteboard behind you. I can show you how. If at all you have a whiteboard, then you may have a whiteboard and you can write things on the whiteboard here like that, and you can show it whatever you are writing. That is possible. And if that is not possible, you can even do one more thing, is you can write on a notebook whatever you want to write, and you can show it to your students. That is also possible when you are making a video. But if at all you feel that you should write something, you should draw something, please feel free and go ahead. But only thing is, you should be very, very clear about whatever you are talking, whatever you are teaching. Okay? So do take care of these things and make your videos accordingly. Alright? Best of luck. Bye.